Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to see pending Robux on mobile. First of all, open up the Roblox app. Then open up the web browser. Here search roblox.com. Click to open its site. Then tap on Continue in Browser. Now enter your login details, your email and password, then click to log in. Once you sign into your account, click on the My Balance icon from top. Now tap on Robux. From here, you can see the details of transactions. You can see the incoming Robux and outgoing Robux. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe and share.